Imagine a world of endless sands, sculpted dunes and a machine designed for adventure. But is the KTM 890 Adventure R really a motorcycle it promises to be? I journeyed through the Atlas Mountains to the Sahara Desert, and the KTM proved its versatility. Seamlessly transitioning from mountain passes to the desert dunes, this bike embodies off-road prowess and on-road finesse. I would say the V-twin engine is good, the bike is not KTM nervous and it's quite easy to handle. The power is there when you need it, in a bit higher RPMs. A lot of cutting-edge technology like lean angle sensitive ABS and multiple ride modes, giving riders control. Of course, tech pack is optional and sadly not on this particular bike. Its design, featuring a distinctive horseshoe-shaped fuel tank, offers stability and ergonomic advantages during off-road rides. While the KTM 890 Adventure R is good all-arounder, some critique its aesthetics. But you see, it's really easy, either you like it or you don't. I like the looks of its brother Husqvarna Northern 901 more. How do you like it? KTM or Husqvarna for you? We were shredding in the dunes of Moroccan desert, and for both of these bikes, weight can be a drawback where lighter options might shine. However, despite these considerations, the bike remains a commendable all-arounder. Fitted with Mitas EO7 tires, handles diverse terrains effortlessly, making off-road adventures effortlessly, while cruising through the highways remains smooth, also with quite impressive fuel consumption. In the heart of the Moroccan desert, the 890 was all about adventure, making its mark in the sands and creating awesome memories. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed this insight, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Until next time, ride safe and keep exploring.